Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to make vocal chops like I did in my new track We Were Young. The track's out right now, so if you want to check it, make sure to check the link down below. The final vocal chops sounds like this. So now, let's dive into the vocal chops. They sound like this. So now I'm gonna show you how to make them. So first we have this part.
Nothing real, when nothing really mattered, I could always count on you.
So when making vocal chops, it's important to select the short part of your vocal, just like this, it's 2 bars. Then we're gonna drag it into slice X. So I already have done that. Now you get this, I select auto slice. Then I get these vocal parts, just like this. So then you have to make a melody with the notes. So I come up with this melody. It's important to have a kind of repetitive factor in it. So it goes from here to here, and that will make the vocal chops. So now let's dive into effects. You got loads of them, so let's disable them all. It sounds like this, without effects. So the effects are a major key in the sound. So first select audible. Put it up 12 octave. And add some distortion. Then you have to EQ them a bit. A low cut and a bit of high cut. Some OTT. Just opens up the sound a bit more. Then some more EQ. Cut off the highs. To get a sort of vocal effect, you first have to cut off the highs, like this. And then you have to distort it. Like this. Those are the highs we just removed. So now, let's some more distortion. Some reverb. And delay. So there you have the sound. It's actually quite simple to make some vocal chops. So in the track it sounds like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next videos.